Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Wanted to come on and show you guys what I've been doing. You've seen my posts for the beads that I've been working on, and a couple of you were like, "Oh, can I see what you make with them? I would love to see what you create with them." Obviously, earrings is going to be my first choice. So just wanted to pop in and show you what I did. So let me move some out of the way, and then I will show you what's going on here. So here's the first set of beads, and they are completed and finished. They have a nice ending. I put not a bead cap, but a cap on it. And these are my wood beads that I did. So these will be for sale. I did have some quantity issues, and I'm trying to work that out before I put them back onto the website. But I think they'll be sold in packs of 10, and we'll see how that comes about. So here is my first set of earrings done with those beads. I decided to use some aluminum wire. I think that's 15 gauge aluminum wire with some of those beads I got from Temu, and decided to wrap it around and give it a little spiral down at the bottom. And I used regular stainless steel ear wires because that's what I had. I don't believe I know this wire, aluminum wire, would not have held up as an ear wire. So that's how these came out. And that is that set of beads. And these are barrel shaped. So there's those. And then I did the same style with these. Same style bead, a barrel shape. All of my beads are going to have the end caps. These are going to be completely finished beads. When I sell them, they're going to be like they're coming out of the store if you were to buy a bead. But these are all handmade. See those? Nice, beautiful partial butterfly. So these earrings were made with those. And I decided to enhance the blue. On these beads, the blue showed more. And so on these, I will probably do something with green or peach. So it's whatever you decide to do. When I do put these on the website, again, they're going to be in packs of 10. And I'm still working out the prices. So if you like them, comment below and let me know. And I'll make sure to let you know when the links come. The link is ready. Now the bead here at the top is another Temu bead. It's like a, almost like a blue hematite chip. And I decided to fold the spiral under so it will hold that bead. And so that's what that one is made of. And these are the first set that I made, and I really, not the first, but the second, I think, but fully covered. These are my favorite. And I really love the texture on them. These are, I believe, 20 millimeter beads. All right, so these I created these earrings. And again, aluminum wire, same type of design. Another set of Temu beads at the top. And those are the glass beads that I did my Temu haul. Look at that. These are some really cute earrings. And I could do a pendant. And this is a light green aluminum wire that I thought just kind of was perfect for. So you got the green bead, the green wire, and a little bit of the green inside. the decoupage. So, and those are those beads. So, thank you so much for all the kind words and the compliments on my creations. I am very, very excited about what's coming. I've been pretty busy. I guess you can tell that I haven't been doing a whole lot of videos. I've been putting some shorts out, but I've just been trying to work behind the scenes to get ready for all the events that's coming up and some of the website stuff that I'm doing. So bear with me. If there's anything that you want to know, any questions you have, my email address is in my about section in this channel. You can also reach me at my Facebook group, JayCee's Creations. If you're not a member, please join. I would really love to have you. If you haven't subscribed, I would really love it if you joined our community here. We do create-alongs and a lot of active folks here and a lot of great information both here and on the YouTube channel. So, but if you just want to watch and just hang out every so often, I love that too. Just, if you could, just like some of the videos and maybe comment and let me know you're here. All right, guys, hopefully you're creating something amazing. I'll see you soon. Bye.